Welcome back everyone. It is not a very good day really, you know, look at the sky, the bees are flying, but yeah, it's not a very good day. It's windy, it's a bit chilly. I've just come to this hive because I need to knock down any if there's loads of queen cells. We need to just leave two. We'll have a little peek in these, but they're going to be angry girls today. Been moved a couple of hives this morning that's supposed to be set up for the new apiary, and like a dickhead I've misplaced the key for the new apiary somewhere, so that's not a good start to that, is it? Look, moles popping up, tilling the ground. Yeah, anyway, come back in a little while. So if we got it right, we should start seeing queen cells. Yeah, straight away, look, one on that one. So we'll leave that one to start with because it's the only one we see. There's none on that side. Well, there's a small one there. Ugh, that's not going to be very good. So we'll get rid of that one. So they've pulled one on that frame, possibly two. So we'll leave just that little one there for a second, but there should be a lot more. Don't want to do it too long today, it's cold. We've still got loads of brood to emerge. They're backfilling any space they've got with honey in it, and there's no eggs, so if we don't see enough queen cells, obviously we can go back to the original hive and remove another frame. I can see them on here as well. Really chewed out one there with the queen larvae on, so maybe there's already a queen hatched. But I don't think so. So we've got one on here. That's two. We're definitely seeing no eggs. So that one. And that one. Mark them. Duffer cell at the bottom. So there's two. There's definitely no queen because they're backfilling every space with nectar. Yeah, this one's got a couple of better queen cells on it. This one's got not two there and a nice one there, so we'll probably leave these two and knock down the others. That's right in the middle as well. Yeah. Last frame, just filling it up the nectar, yeah. So we will leave them two on that one frame. So that one's chewed. Look chewed out, but I don't think it is. I think they're chewing it down. So we'll set this one out. Oh, it had royal jelly and a cell in it. So that perhaps would have been a good one. And I'm sure it was this frame here. Yeah. So we've marked the one that we're going to leave, which is this frame here, and let the bees raise the queen. If it fails, we'll go back to the original live and give them another frame. At a push, we can always combine them back together. It'll be fine. These little bees are filling up their super, look, all that fresh white wax. Yeah, look, they've filled nice full whole super. None of it's capped, but look, beautiful. None of it drips out. You could technically, tap that and spin that. Do a little test on it. But we definitely shouldn't have a queen up here. It'd just be a honey box. Yeah, next frame looks the same. Beautiful. So the next box down, and look at that, guys, that's beautiful. Beautiful capped frames of honey. Oh, we need to leave that one out. That's what you want. That's what we want to see. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's see. Ideally, we'd like to move the queen excluder down. Yeah. Beautiful. So I've just added these have got a whole big box. These are up in this box, filling it with honey. And this one, all these will all go up in there, because look, there is a lot of bees in that hive. So we're going on this one. It should be alright at the minute. So these two hives are doing alright. I've just rotated supers on this one, but they can just carry on. It's got nailed on the ankle. Right, so they're all sorted. So you know what's funny with this hive here on the end stand with all the bees on the front, is it's the hive that is, you go into it and you think they're not doing nothing, and then suddenly they just explode. They're just, whereas all the others, you know, were filling super, and these ones looked like they weren't even, they was brood in there, but they weren't in the super or nothing, and then just now they're ahead of the others. It's like, I'm pretty sure that's a swarm of bees that I caught. But they yeah, they lay dormant, and then it's just like bzoom on it, like bees on the bonnet. But yeah, they're good bees, a little bit aggressive, but oh well. Anyway, they're all sorted.